This collaboration between IKEA and Marimekko is all about Nordic well-being, and the result is BASTUA.
Sauna is an essential part of the well-being culture up here in the north. In the summer, the night is endless light.
For me, this collection is all about relaxing and having a good time. It's all about simplicity. We wanted to show the beautiful wood joinery and the beauty of the birch wood.
I remember already from childhood, my grandparents, they had an old sauna, and I love the feeling of the old wood there, the hand-carved logs.
I really wanted to create huge surfaces with the big rhubarb leaves. In Finland, they grow especially by cottage saunas.
I was really inspired by Sami's wood carving print, and that made me think about the wood logs that you throw into the sauna fire, and all of a sudden I had the basic shape for my glassware. It's also like a water ripple, small waves on a lake, on the sea, near a sauna.
First of all, it's fully handmade process. So I had a piece of paper, one sheet, and then I cut it in pieces and then put those pieces in a certain rhythm.
The colors of my prints were inspired by the Finnish summer and also the endless nights. I think people can have a little piece of Nordic happiness even without having the sauna.